They just don't make ball joints like they used to. 27 millimeter nut on the bottom. 18 millimeter up at the upper control arm. 21 millimeter here and here. 21 millimeter for your tie rod end. Bust all that loose. Hang the caliper up there. This is about to pop off here. Blower ball joint. So easy to get this whole entire knuckle assembly off of here, and just 32 millimeter for the CV axle nut. And even though it's all rusted to hell, these things are so easy to work on. You could be done, you know, this job tore apart in 25-30 minutes and have it all put back together, you know, 45-50 minutes total or something like that. I mean, they just don't make this stuff like they used to anymore.
With the aluminum heads and
those are hard to come by. Well, thank you. You want, hey, you want me?
Say it ain't so, Joe. What do you think, buddy? Oh, I'll pay it together. Here you go, big guy. You ordered this thing?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hola, chiquita bonita. Acá. I'm looking for an RO I lost. But no, it's fine. It's a non-waiter. What you need? What you need?
If I had to rate this job on a scale of 1 to 10, this would be a 5. It's not hard. Be careful. Don't screw anything up. Don't rush anything. Have a new set of bolts for everything. This customer literally just wanted the ball joint done and nothing else. I tried to sell a CV axle nut. They wouldn't do it. The upper and lower control arm, or the upper control arm nut, wouldn't do it. Tie rod end wouldn't do it. Luckily, I had both the upper control arm nut in my my big like spare parts bin, and I also had the CV axle nut. So I replaced both of them anyway because I don't want liability, something coming back on me. And then test drove the vehicle, and it was phenomenal. They just don't make vehicles like this anymore. The motor was super strong in that thing. It's a 4-liter single. What is it? 4-liter single overhead cam. I don't remember. I think it was a 4-liter. Great ride, great seats, great comfort, great AC, super easy to work on, nothing hard about it. They just don't make them like that no more. Y'all be blessed. Real quick, I forgot. The part number was here. This is the Napa part number. And the Motorcraft engine belt. I did an engine belt for that, but the engine belt's so easy on that thing, you don't need me to explain that to you. This thing's really been acting up lately. That's it. Again, take care, guys. Have a great, safe weekend. I'll talk to y'all over the weekend.